LiftMaster 373LM LiftMaster, garage opener, programming, 3-button remote control. And good thing is it is in English and in French. 3-button remote control télécommande à 3 boutons. Alright, instruction right here. And this is the part. Okay, comes in the box. Plastic. Instruction. Okay, so my garage door has two doors. So I'm just going to use this one for the left and this one for the right. I have a LiftMaster Formula 1. Okay, so I'm going to check. Start with the first one right here. So this right here is the learn button. This is the remote. You have to come about, I think it's a feet or a couple of feet around the box right here. Okay, so what you do, very easy, you press the learning button and then you press left. There you go, learning button is done. Alright, see, it turned off. So I have the garage here, the door is open. If I press this button right here, door goes down, press again, door goes back up.